Okay, mga bossing, welcome back, welcome back. This is Alvin again ng Boy Bukas Toy Box, and welcome to my channel. So, what's going on? So this time, mga bossing, we're going to unbox another cool toys from Action Toys, and this one is their mini deformed version of God Sigma. So this is the fifth release from their series of mini deformed. So if you guys want to know the other four, check out my other video where I reviewed the other four, start from Ballers 5, Dimos, and Combattler B, right? So there you go. Just check out my video list if you're interested to find out more. But for now, watch this video. Bossing. So stay tuned. We're going to unbox this. So ano pa natin? Syempre, let's go na mga bossing. Let's unbox.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, here we go, mga bossing. We got another toys from Action Toys. So this is the fifth release after the 10 years. So this is another like a combiners kind of toy. So that's what it's really make it, you know, this toy line really cool. How they make it like a deformed or chibi looking robot toys. So look at that, right? So this is are made of 3 robots that combine into one to form the God Sigma. Okay, so there you go. Let's unbox. Okay, ooh. This time this looks amazing. I don't know, I just like the color, how I think they're making it really good, and yeah, I know, and oops, it's quite heavy. So we got 2 layers of tray here, and we got the manual here. So let's open. Okay, let's open the first tray for now. Okay, so we got now the legendary sword here. So, okay, so I'm gonna show it to you guys. That's the legendary sword. It's also the mighty sword. Look at those design, right? The paint is really cool. I like it, and so detailed. Yes, you can see that details there. Okay, so we got another 2 set of hands here. So we got the close piece here. Nice. Nice. So there you go. So let's put it here, and another set of hands here that holds, I believe that can hold the sword. So it's a left and right, but I think we only have one sword, so you choose, right? So okay, so another cool hands here. So this is like a B chest plate here. I believe you can put it when you transform into God Sigma, right? So because you know there's 3 robots to combine and make a So So this is like a jet flying ship of weaponry here. So this is where all the weapons of God Sigma that put at the back of God Sigma. So this one's pretty cool. So they got some articulation here, so you can put it down. So, okay, so I think so. Be careful on this one and this one, and I think that's it. So let's put it back and put it on the side. And I think this is another sleeve or parts of God Sigma when they combine. Yeah, so I think you can put those pieces here or hands. So it's like an extension extension of the arms of God Sigma. We're going to get the other tray. Okay, so we got this robot tray, I can say, because you got the 3 robots here. Let's take it out. Okay, let's take out first the yellow robot, which is the Sky Thunder King. So they all call King to form a God Sigma. So this will be the left legs when they combine. So you got some articulation here. So like I said, the details is really cool. So it's really nice. So I can't wait to combine them together. So yeah, so we got some articulation there. So because it's a bit, so you can see that you can already do that. And for the right legs, the Sea Rumble King or the Sea King, or also to make it more bigger, the Ocean King. So okay, so so accidentally I found out that you can remove the hands here. Maybe same as this one, yeah, same as the Land King. So this Sea King or Ocean King, so same articulation, same functionality. And the Sky Thunder King. So there you go, the Sky Thunder King is the main body of God Sigma. As you can see, got a big head there. It's pretty amazing paint job. So details really cool. I think the only thing that makes this cheaper because there's no die cast, but overall these really cool figures. You don't need a die cast here. So we already have this articulation here, so you can move that around. There you go, see? Nice, right? So, and of course, I think you can remove that. So remove that easily and put it back. So the head. Oops. Okay, so be careful on that one. Okay, that's nice. Nice. Okay, so let's get that part that's been. Okay, let's get that part. Okay, so put it back. It's gonna be easy. So there's a slot there. So just push it, and here you go. Okay, so it's time to combine them together. Okay, let's combine. there you go, my boss. You already combined the 3 kings into one God Sigma robot. So, okay, so what do you guys think? It's really cool. It's fully assembled now. So one bad thing about this, this toys is this one is kind of loose. So I got the loose one. So it's not okay. So that's really bad. But overall, it's still good. I like it. I like the paint job and everything, and how you can combine it easily. It's not that as hard as the Alteneous, so I like this one. Not so complicated and so I can say like dangerous. Sometimes there's a chance that you may break something if you combine them. And the hands are easily to remove and replace. So that's a good thing. That's a big point for me. So overall, it's really good. Really nice. So okay, so I also have the mini action figure of this one, so don't forget to watch that one if you want a better one version and not a deformed one or like a chibi style. Yeah, check it out. Okay, so if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe now and hit the notification bell icon and give me a thumbs up. And if you can, really appreciate that if you can share it to your friends and family, everybody that you know that's also collecting toys, something like this. That's really good. And if you have any comments or suggestions, bad or good, I like that. I always read your comments, and it's really, and I really like it to improve all my videos and upcoming reviews. Okay, so there you go. Thanks for watching once again, and see you in the next episode. Peace out.